Have you ever tried to switch bank accounts or budgeting apps? It can be a nightmare, right? You have to log into all your old accounts, manually transfer data, and hope everything gets imported correctly. That's where companies like Flinks come in. They offer a secure way to connect your financial accounts to other apps, streamlining the whole process. But who exactly is behind the curtain making this magic happen? Flinks operates in the world of fintech, short for financial technology. They specialize in something called open banking, which allows third-party apps to access your financial data with your explicit permission. This opens doors for all sorts of cool stuff, from personalized budgeting tools to faster loan applications. But with great power comes great responsibility, and you might be wondering, who can I trust with my sensitive financial information? Here's where things get interesting. Flinks itself used to be an independent company, founded in 2016 by a trio of tech entrepreneurs, Yves-Gabriel Leboeuf, Frederick Lavoie, and Julien Cousineau. Leboeuf became the CEO, leading the company's development as a secure platform for data aggregation. Fast forward to 2021, and Flinks makes a big move. The National Bank of Canada, a major financial institution in North America, takes a significant interest in the company. This wasn't a small investment, we're talking over $100 million. With this cash injection, National Bank acquired a majority stake in Flinks. Now, this might raise some eyebrows. Isn't a bank acquiring a fintech company a bit of a conflict of interest? After all, open banking is supposed to level the playing field, not give traditional banks an edge. Here's the thing, National Bank sees Flinks as a valuable partner, not a competitor. They believe that by integrating Flinks technology, they can offer their customers a more seamless and secure experience. In an interview, Flinks CEO, Leboeuf, even described the deal as a sign that the company is ready to go after the competition. So, it seems National Bank is using Flinks to enhance its own services, but hopefully, that also means Flinks can leverage the bank's resources to improve its platform for everyone. So, to answer the burning question, who owns Flinks? The simple answer is National Bank of Canada now holds the majority stake. However, the company still operates with a certain degree of autonomy. Leboeuf remains the CEO, and the original founders are still involved. This ownership structure raises some questions about the future of Flinks. Will it remain truly independent and open to all players in the fintech space, or will it prioritize National Bank's interests? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Flinks plays a crucial role in the open banking revolution, and its ownership story is a fascinating one to watch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.